In this video, I'm going to be talking about the Save Club compensation plan, but I'm going to divide it into parts because we get paid 5 ways, and I want to explain it in the as simple as I can. So part 1 is going to be the Fast Start commissions explained in dollars, which is pretty easy to understand. But I prepared this video for those of you who have any type of situation understanding comp plans. I'm no judgment. I have that trouble myself. I'm learning as I do this video. So with that said, let's begin. First of all, I want to let you know that there's no guarantees, there's no promises. This video is for, educational purposes. So this is not a guarantee of income. My results are not typical and are the result of consistent effort, skill, and action over time. Your success with Save Club or any business depends on your own work ethic, dedication, and ability to follow through. And not all affiliates will earn income, and no earnings are promised or guarantees. You always have to do your due diligence before joining any opportunity, right? But with that said, if you get to work, if you bring in people, right, to this amazing opportunity, which I find amazing because you could save money. Now, you know what I love about Save Club? I'm going to tell you how you can make money with this. I love this because it's a digital product. I love this because you don't have to save any inventory. I love this because it's 100% online. You don't have to sell anything crazy. All you have to do is share the membership and help your team duplicate, and you get paid weekly. That's it. You can get paid weekly and monthly, but I'll talk about the monthly commissions later. Now, even if someone on your team outranks you, you still earn money from their efforts. So let's talk about how you get paid weekly with Save Club. Now, every time someone joins under you as an affiliate or member with Save Club for $79.97, it's $60 one-time affiliate fee so that you can become an affiliate and have access to all the tools in the back office and have access to all those discounts. And it's $19.97 a month. Well, you're going to earn $20, which is a 25% of their sign up. It's 25% because it's $79.97. And that's paid the very next week. And that's paid weekly every Friday. You get $20 for every person you directly refer. Okay, simple math, you get $20. So I'm going to talk about the team overrides. Since this is a forced matrix, if you get spillover, you're going to get paid for that too. But I'm going to talk about the matrix in the next video, all right? So team overrides equals more money. Once you rank up, you can earn extra money from your team's effort, even if you didn't enroll them directly. All right, I just started. I got 2 people on my team, which means that I'm going to make $40. I'm going to make $40 for now. I'm still enrolling people. I'm still working. But my sponsor, the person that I had joined, he's moving. He's moving and he's already enrolled 69 people. I'm a nursing student. Don't judge me. I'm also a Spanish interpreter. So I work, I study, I do this on the side. So I'm doing the best I can. But I'm still building because I want a better life for my family. So I find it awesome that even if you didn't enroll a person directly and you get that spillover, you still make money. I find that extremely cool. Let's talk about what you earn at each rank. Right now, I'm at 1 star. All right. I'm going to be completely honest. I like honesty. You make $20 for the direct person that joins under you, plus $4 on the second generation, which is 5%. If you're 2 star, and I'm going to explain how many people you need, but that's in another video for that. You earn $20 for commission plus the $3.20 on second generation and $3.20 on the third generation. The more you rank up, the more you bank up. All right. Leader says that. So the more ranks you have, the more generations you have. A 3-star has $20 direct. They make $2.40 on second, third, and fourth generation, which is 3%. And 4-star will make $20 direct plus $1.60 on second to the 5th generation, which is 2%, which is, I know that you see $2. Oh, wow, $2, $1.60. But you know what? That adds up. And if you're building your team, you're earning that money residually. Okay. 5-star is $20 direct, 80 cents on every 2nd to 6th generation, which is 1%. So 25% is 20, 5% is $4, 4% is $3.20, 3% is $2.40, is $1.60 and 1% is equal to 80 cents. Just so you know. I know a lot of you have calculators. I just wanted to do the work for you, all right? As far as math, because the only thing that I can tell you is how to get to 1 star, because I already became a 1 star. How to get your first 2 members. I could tell you what I did. I actually just marketed like crazy. I actually started just doing reels, doing just promoting online, and that's it. That's all I've done. And if I could do it with my crazy schedule, I know that if you want a better life, you just want something different, I know you can do it too. Just going to get into some small testimonials, although we have a Facebook group that gives you a bunch of training, okay? It gives you a bunch of tips, some testimonials, but this is Kelly Toller. She was in another opportunity, and she was a teacher, like I would say maybe a couple years ago, maybe 2 years ago. She would have to talk about that. But she joined another membership opportunity, and she retired from being a teacher, just making residual income. And look how much she made. Look how much she made. She's already a 4 star. She made $3,870.62. Okay, and she got a lot of stick for being for joining this opportunity, because she was already in another opportunity. But the cool thing is, in that other opportunity that she's in, we could do whatever we want. We're not committed to just joining to not joining other opportunities, because that's a membership platform. But that membership platform that offers discounts is usually, it's only health for now. It's just health and supplements. And so this offers you savings or discount savings on things like travel, entertainment, retail stores, anything that you think that you buy. This offers you discounts, and we all need to save money because this economy is crazy. Look at this person, Karen Louise Downs. She said that she wasn't expecting this, but she already gotten paid. Obviously, she's not going to get paid the monthly because we just launched. This is currently in pre-launch. And she made $120, which is awesome. You know what an extra $120 a week is? An extra $40, an extra $60 a week. All you have to do is say yes. Because not only will you save money, you can have that, if you really work this, you can have that little extra income that you need. Gas, you can pay for gas, and you can pay for all the things all those bills that are overwhelming you with a little extra income. I mean, it goes a long way. And this is me, and this is my team. All right. I started promoting this on LinkedIn. I have a physician that joined me, and I have another person that joined me. It's not showing here, but this was a spillover from my sponsor, and I'm already at 1 star. And I ain't stopping until I'm at 5 stars. I'm not stopping, and I'm not going to give up. So if you haven't done so yet, I want you to take action. If you haven't done so yet, if you already pre-enrolled, if you're watching this, you received a message from me and you already pre-enrolled and you're thinking about it, just log in, upgrade before Friday night to lock in your spot and get spillover and get the opportunity to get your commissions and to qualify for commissions. Why? Because it's easy to start. It's easy. And the 10 reasons you don't want to wait is because it's in global pre-launch, because the early positioning is equal to smart leverage, because it's weekly and monthly pay. You don't have to be selling stuff. It's really low cost to start, because if you ask me, $69.97 is a low startup cost. I mean, it's less than $100, and you're turning the spending into savings. You can have residual income potential. It's a simple system. It's no hype. It's a perfect side hustle, and you're early, and that matters. So, I'm going to leave the link below this video, and thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because I'm going to be uploading training. I'm going to be uploading everything that I'm doing to build my business. Okay.